this video, we're going to look at how do you get free stock options trading, right? Active, basically ideas from experts, right? So we are on a Tastyworks platform. If you look at it, you go to this tab, right? Follow. So you can see here, there are a lot of experts here who are just taking the trade and showing you what they have took the trade for. Let's say I want to I want to look for trades for this week. I only want to look for specific trades. Let's say vertical. Okay. So now it's going to update for me what are different verticals they have taken. Okay, so let's say, for example, uh, so here, Tom Shashnoff is a famous guy. All of these guys are experts, right? So let's say PayPal, right? Highlight, duplicate trade. So you can basically duplicates the trade what he took. Okay. Let's say, for example, I want only iron condors. Okay, go to iron condor, and you can see all the iron condor trades have taken. Okay? So pop is basically after he's taking the trade, how much it has gone up. Right? Pop percentage. So let's say this one. Let's say pins. Sort and counter 275 credit. I'll let that to 7. I don't want to 7. I'll look for today, right? Today. Close it. Today. Duplicate trade. So you're still getting credit. Okay? So why this is very important is because these guys are experts and they know what they're doing. So at least you can get an idea of what they are trading and what kind of strikes they are trading. Let's say, for example, butterfly, right? So here, CMG butterfly, pop 90% credit. Yeah. Okay. So you just highlight that, duplicate. Okay. 40 cents credit. Okay, 490 credit. Okay. So it just popped. It's gone up. Okay. So like this, you can basically replicate the trades. Okay. So replicates what they are taking. So right, calculate the price of 1460. Okay. So this is Tasty Trades where they have this option where you can basically copy the trades and you can get some expert opinions. Right? Plus, you can also stick to um, very conservative strategies, right? For example, this is a ratio spread, right? So GM, okay. So we sold two and bought one. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.